On Special Command, 3-1 action on the 4, Massive Drama, 7-2 and 6, Celebrity Playboy on gate, race 9, here they come. Up and trotting, Celebrity Playboy, and I'm a Spur now backs away. There goes Massive Drama with speed and Special Command from the inside. Those three, and the scrambles on into the first turn. Special Command, Massive Drama, and now Celebrity Playboy hustles up to take the lead away from Massive Drama as they head to the quarter. Special Command now gaps in third with High Pan Tolerance fourth. I'm a Spur is parked out going up fifth. East Creek Huck on the inside sixth. Then it's Texas Ridge followed by Victor's Future. The Chancellor is last and underway. 28 for the first marker. Celebrity Playboy paves the way here with Corey Callahan trying to ration out the speed. Massive Drama second by 2. Special Command is third. I'm a Spur parked out and clogging right now. High Pan Tolerance is pinned in. Texas Ridge is caught behind I'm a Spur, and then it's East Creek Huck, and backed up is the Chancellor next to last with Victor's Future. 56-1, 28-1. Corey Callahan rating Celebrity Playboy at 3-1 here. Hustled along is Massive Drama second. Special Command is third. Around the far turn, High Pan Tolerance pinned in. I'm a Spur on the outside continues to clog the outer flow here. And Texas Ridge has to come 3 wide around that one. East Creek Huck is pinned in. The Chancellor has a long way to come here. And then it's Victor's Future, and Celebrity Playboy turns on the afterburners, leads it by 4 now. But Special Command gets in gear. 125 for 3/4. In the stretch, Celebrity Playboy trying to go all the way, leads it by 3.5, 4. In gear is Special Command, but he is second best so far. High Pan Tolerance is third. The Chancellor underway way too late. It is Celebrity Playboy. Corey Callahan with a triple. Celebrity Playboy romps wire to wire. Special Command second. High Pan Tolerance, then the Chancellor. 153-2. Number 6, Celebrity Playboy, the unofficial winner of race 9 in 153 2/5. A photo for place. Coming up after the 9th race, a replay, 9th race official, then replay. We've got Horseplay, another edition of Horseplay on the West Apron. Number 1, Special Command was second. 2, High Pan Tolerance was third. And 10, the Chancellor fourth. 6-1, 2-10. Number 6, Celebrity Playboy, 8-year-old big gelded son of Yankee Glide out of Clover Mist by Balanced Image. Owned by Peter Kleinhans Racing Incorporated, Flemington, New Jersey. Trained by Orhan Tortenson. From the Peter Kleinhans stable, Corey Callahan with a triple tonight. Second win of the season, 153 2/5. A new lifetime mark for the 8-year-old Celebrity Playboy. It's A money. And for Gary DeLeo's Pick 4 ticket group at the Don Q Wedge Bar tonight, it's cash time, $17,000 on the Pick 4.